So the manipulation is still going on. It's just going in the other direction. Um, Gold and silver, markets in general don't trade like this. They don't go up in a straight line. They don't constantly go up. There's always a back and forth between overvalued and undervalued. And although the whole market as a whole has seen the dollar as an overvalued asset and is now dumping it, it's not the hyperinflation event that's happening. What has to happen is people have to lose confidence in the paper money, and there just isn't enough Americans out there that have, or even foreigners that have lost confidence as of yet. So that means that this price spike in all assets that we're seeing um, is temporary, because I'm getting people who I've been talking about gold for a long time and telling them about gold buying, and they don't understand what gold is, and they're buying it now. They have no clue that gold is money. They only see it going up. They don't want to get a piece of the action. They don't realize that it's the money going down. So that means, and they're not the only ones. Day traders are the same way. They're not looking at this as gold and silver as their unit of count. They're looking at it as dollars as their unit of count, and that's ingrained in them. Even I sometimes make that mistake on a daily basis. So we can expect people to rush back into the dollars sometime in the future, and and the best way for the powers that be, the bankers and stuff like that want to obtain your silver and gold, the public silver and gold, is to run the price, have everyone jump in and try to get in here at the same time. And if the price gets high enough, it'll fall back down really fast as well, allowing them to pick up gold and silver on the cheap. As the average Joe dumps their gold and silver because they feel, well, they've been hoodwinked, it's scammed, gold is crashing, or whatever reason that they feel that they'll be selling. They'll be selling basically because they feel that the dollars are the ones that has the value, and not the gold and silver. And that's fine. That's their problem. They should have studied what they're buying, their asset that they're buying, and understand that it's money. Unfortunately, that takes a long time. You can't learn that in just by reading some book or whatever. Because you've lived with paper money your whole life and you don't know anything better. So expect gold and silver to climb to amazing heights and crash amazingly as well. So I'm going to, instead of like Don Harrell, he's decided to sell some of his silver. I'm not buying anymore. I'm just going to save the cash, put it in a safety deposit box or whatever, because there's no point in saving the cash in the bank, because they get to use it, right? So take it out. And then I'm just going to wait until all those people who've purchased gold and silver without really understanding what it is, and have them dump it onto the market rapidly once prices start falling like crazy, I'll be picking it up. So hyperinflation's not here yet. Don't get all excited about that. If you have a lot of debt, it's not here. If you've got a lot of debt and you are trading in and out to clear up that debt, may I suggest that you look for when CNBC or some sort of business news channel is partying up and saying, "Hey, it's time to get into gold. Time to get into gold." Then you know the crash is coming.